Hi.
Where do you want to be?
Where's the gate?
Or where do you want to be?
I'm good. Wherever my chair is.
Okay, then come back here again.
Oh my goodness.
It's coming right now. Morning, guys. Right, it's either you or the police are going to tell you to do it, because that's what they're asking us to do. You can't just park in the middle of the road.
No, it's not middle of the road. It's a fucking blockade, dude. Like, shut the fuck up.
Hey, don't swear. Don't swear.
No, you fucking almost broke my partner with your.
Oh, did you?
That's all it's fucking. Yeah.
You almost ran somebody over?
No, I didn't almost run him over.
Can you turn your car off for a second and
I
we'll
was
talk?
going slow and they're in the middle of the road.
Well, look
We're
at
not in
the
middle
speed
of
you
the road.
came over.
You're in the middle of the road, fucking running people over. Fuck you.
So you have a right to do this. You want to get some of these?
That was fucking a close call. That was a real close call.
I didn't mean to hit anybody or chase anybody down.
Mean to.
Come on now, let me go to work.
Yeah, just give us 1 second.
Not even
I've
fucking
been doing this
60.
every day and nobody lets me by, okay? I've been trapped in so many times now. I'm not a logger. I'm a drywaller, okay?
It doesn't fucking matter. You fucking
not
drive
making
slow
trouble
when you
with
see other
nobody.
vehicles around. There's
Look at the way
fucking
you
people,
came up on
there's
us. We all saw
dogs.
you, brother. You have no excuses right now. Just chill, relax.
Everyone's gonna back away and we're gonna de-escalate the situation.
I gotta come back through here. I live in the bush. You guys all know I live in the bush. I know you know that.
You just gotta go slower then, because it scares the shit out of us.
Then please let me through.
We're definitely gonna let you through, but
Okay.
you gotta agree to
Now,
go slower, because that was scary.
Can we move on now?
He would have had to
Quickly,
drive
like,
over the fire.
Yeah. Stop on a dime. I don't know. I didn't think he was going to slow down.
Gonna hit people, but I feel like he was like wanting to plow.
So there's a comms trailer coming up right now. Yeah, you guys should probably get a couple more cars in the road, right?
Okay.
You know, make sure it's staggered and that it makes it a real pain in the ass for the tow companies to come and get them out. Make it a logistical nightmare. Like, stagger, like any which way you can. Make it chaos. Make it chaos.
I just get really big, like you're two people. No, I'm just kidding.
We don't need no gunshots, sirens, or alarm. Police soldiers all around.
So how many people did you count?
At least 50,000. No, I'm just kidding.
Preparing like mentally and strategically for this, like we figured at some point they would be coming and we're preparing, have been prepared for this, and they're just simply not getting through. There's just too much that we've set up ahead of them to, yeah, it'll take them a couple of days, definitely. Yeah, fuck yeah.
After they get through a couple of days, we'll sneak in, restock, and
Yeah.
do it all over again
Yeah.
until this thing's over.
People are coming from Ontario to be here. Like, it's not fizzling out. If anything, like, their presence here is just inspiring people more to become more active and to do this fuckery.
Fuckery.
Yeah. Literally.
Straight up quitting their jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the loggers are upset they don't have their jobs. I wish they had a job too.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of us. We can't go to work either until this is over because
I know.
we're taking it upon ourselves because someone's got to do it, man.
Same. I've left my
Someone's
job
got to
and
do it for all the little creatures and different species that reside only in these forests alone. Because those things will go extinct in 10 years if they take this away.
And I think the mobilization we saw over the weekend, there were 1,000 people out here, 500 people putting pressure on the RCMP, and that's just going to keep building. It's people from, from all over, from the island, from BC, from places that they're starting to wake up and realize that this movement is not going away and that people are going to keep coming and keep putting pressure on.
Their hearts set on
This big heart of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this big heart of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This big heart of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. All over the world, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, all over the world, I'm gonna let it shine. All over the world, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
No more old growth logging on stolen native land.
In defense of forests, together we all stand.
Let's go. Go.
Watch that side.
Police and thieves in the streets, stealing the land from the people, fighting First Nations with their bully tactics.
Watch that side.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on.
Slow down. Don't forget, this is a public protest. We're not doing anything illegal. We're not blockading loggers right now. We are more than 50 feet away from equipment. These rests will be illegal. They know that. We know that. We have been invited on these lands by elders.
Stop your fussing and fighting, my brother. Stop your fussing and fighting. Don't fight. They say stop your fussing and your fighting, my brothers. Stop your fussing and your fighting right now. When the children want to go to school, all because of their true faces, now they're afraid to walk down the street deliberately. Won't you just hear Jesus and what you hear I'm gonna say?
Like, I just came to fish and I gotta go fucking to Rennie, man. I just came all the way from way up high.
Yeah.
A bit shocked.
Yeah.
Like, I understand, and it's commendable what they're doing, but fuck, man.
There's a bunch of scientists that are here that are looking for the screech owl and the screech owl nests. They've brought scientists with them, but there's only one of them that got through the police gate because the police are, I guess, out here.
Put in place the injunction, but I don't know. They gave us that.
The police gave us that, yeah.
There's a map, so it's kind of practical for us. If you don't have a map.
So it's just basically saying that
they said like
they're gonna enforce with like.
I heard like 10 seconds. You can leave 10 seconds, and they gave 10 seconds to someone, but I don't know. But you can ask those people.
Oh yeah, whatever.
Good day. Hi there. I was just up doing some fly fishing. Now I'm stuck. I can't get home.
Okay.
Are you boys going to unblock this road or what?
Definitely trying to do that.
We're working on it right now.
It's obviously going to take a little bit of time.
How far up are you?
Well, you know, there's a bunch of logs and rocks and shit blocking the road.
Right. Well, once we get through this first bit, then we'll make our way up there. Yeah.
Because the top of the road to Lake Cal, no go.
Nothing there.
I think there's a gate.
Oh, okay.
Well, the industry's up there, and I don't have a radio.
Okay.
So I didn't want to...
When did you get up there?
Well, I come to fish, you know.
No. When did you get up there?
Friday?
On Friday? So it got put in there between then and now?
Yeah, oftentimes I'll go out through Lake Cal because this end of the road sucks.
Right. No, I hear you.
Well, I don't know if I even have enough gas to get if I go the other way.
No.
Like, I commend these people for their efforts, but
yeah,
I'm just recreating, you know, doing some fly fishing, and now I can't even get home.
Did you not have any success having any conversations?
I had success fishing. It was fantastic.
No. I mean, in conversing with any of the
well, they're
here?
nice people. They're doing a good thing. I believe that.
Yeah.
But shit, man. I gotta work tomorrow. I gotta go home, you know?
For sure.
I think industry's working right beside the road. So they have a log sort right there. So they...
So it's them who put it up.
That elder's a bit of a ringleader for them. This is the one that was... Yeah. He's the one that lit the fire on the road and they were doing a smudging and they were... No, he's not an elder. No, we don't know who he is. He's actually not even from this area. He's one of the local farmers. He's not from around here.
So this is how it's going to work. You're going to get in your vehicle and move it if you want. If not, I'll tow it. It's entirely up to you.
Okay, but the question was, why can I not have it on the side of the road like all the other cars here?
Okay, because you've obstructed it all day long. So, okay, do you want to be arrested for obstruction?
For what, sir?
Do you want to be arrested for obstruction?
No, I'm not obstructing.
You are obstructing. You're obstructing the road. Do you want to be arrested for obstruction? Yes or no?
Oh, I'll move it. I've already said I'm going to move it.
Then you're going to move it and you're going to keep going.
How far?
Out to the end.
The end of what?
To the end of this road.
Okay, and then I'll just park on the side.
That's fine.
Yeah, all right.
Okay,
yeah, why
good.
not?
Let's go. Fair enough? Appreciate it.
Let's have her have a seat. Let's have a seat. Let's have a seat. We'll bring up the proper equipment.
Yep. I am arresting you for civil contempt of the court order of the Honorable Mr. Justin Verhoeven, issued on April 1st, 2021. Do you understand? Do you want to call a lawyer? Yes? No? You are not obligated to say anything, but anything you do say may be given in evidence. Do you understand?
Well, look how long you've been doing your work. I want to let you know, my dear loved one, that how much that you're loved. You have the 4 directions on you. And I know that you care about these police officers too. I'm going to sing you a song. Would you be okay with that? It's a Spirit Bear song. It's about looking inside yourself and having that courage while everybody here is standing around and their cars are parked and you're doing the right thing. Way high, ho, way high, ho, ya, hey, oh, way, oh. Way high, ho, way high, ho, ya, hey, oh, way, oh. Hey, ya, way, oh, way, ah, way, ah. Way, oh, way, ah. Hey, ah, way, oh, way, ah, way, ah. Way, oh, way, ah. Money do me qua, kapila kose. Money do me qua, de shwe nishanaj you. Way, ho, way, ho, ya, hey, oh, way, oh. Way high, ho, way ho, ya, hey, oh, way, oh. Come and have a seat. Do some work. They're leaving all this up for my niece to do this.
Thank you for protecting the forest.
Wichita, do ya, do ya, do ya. Wichita, do ya, do ya. Get past me.
You want to go on your own? I don't want to hurt you, right? You want to go on your own? No. Okay. If I don't hurt you, let me know. And then cross me.
If you pass some ladies, be gentle. Why are you men putting your hands on the light giver? Thank you. Now what do you guys want to do? You figure it's lunchtime? It's going to be a long day. You must be getting hot, and there's all this military and bullets and stuff. Just want to let you know we care for you. Would any of you men like some water or something? Because water's life. Would you care for something to drink? That was your niece in there. I would never put my hands on your child, eh?
Alignment with the actual law. The law
I
of
would
the
never
land.
put my hands on your child. Thank you for being gentle.
Those of you with children, how would your kids feel? This kid got to be with these forests and got to see them. Will probably be like your kids. What would your kids say if you said, hey, you know, I'm just up here protecting Teal Jones from cutting down monstrous trees that you would probably weep at, like this child has when he's been there? How would your kids say? What would your kids say to you? Would you say, yes, son, here I am. Here I am, protecting men from cutting down these beautiful trees. Yes, daughter, this is what we're doing. This is why we're here. This is why he's here. And I hope you guys realize, those of you with children and grandchildren, what would they think? What would they think of your actions? This is what we're here for. This is why we're here. We're not here to oppose the police. We're not here to oppose government. We're just here to protect something so sacred and beautiful. So please look at this child that was so scared earlier when you came. He's afraid of you, and he shouldn't be. He shouldn't be. He was crying, and people came around and helped him.
Listen, his spirit's not in his body.
So please remember your children and grandchildren, and think of them if they got to see these trees. I don't know if they have, but I encourage you to please think of that, and please be safe and gentle with us, because these are your children.
I care so much about you. Why won't you just join us? Let's have a feast together. That's how we do things. We sit in a circle. Notice how we have a natural circle here. And we eat together. And we talk about these things. We don't come and bully each other and pop our chests out and threaten with our hands on a gun. Nobody here's got a gun.
No.
I have a drum. You have a gun.
All we are saying is give trees a chance.
Let's go around, sorry.
It's okay, come on over here.
Line, please. Thank you. Thank you.
All we
You can.
are saying
You guys can go around.
Here, come on through here.
All we are saying.
Come on under here. Come over here, my relative.
All right, you guys can go around.
Come on, quickly.
Okay, well, you've made that height. You can go around.
Give trees a chance. All we are saying is give trees a chance.
Oh, sorry, that wasn't me. Come on, go ahead, go ahead. Yeah. Is somebody checking on whether they're trying to steal cars?
They're not. I checked.
Sorry.
Leave it alone.
Sorry, I was just trying to get an interesting shot.
You can move around without having
You can also not slap me. You can talk to me. Okay, I'm an adult. You're an adult. Please, thank you. I don't appreciate it. We have like a mutual thing going, okay? Just be polite.
So move ahead.
The young generation is watching. Please be gentle. The elders are watching. We're all watching.
And protect! Who are you serving and protecting? Who? Who are you serving? Who are you protecting? Protect your elders! We love you!
Thank you!
Healthy earth, her lungs are our breath. What matters? The mother, healthy earth, her lungs are our breath.
Sid, I need you to take this ring. Very sacred.
Yeah, hang on. Thank you.
It's criminal what's actually happening out in the woods right now, and the NDP government had an ample opportunity here to follow through on their promises, and they basically haven't, which has put a lot of people in a pretty upset mood. And these protests are a sure way of getting the attention of the NDP government that they need to do something about this mess. I'm with a group of elders for ancient trees, and we're a very peaceful group, just doing what we would do with our own children, which is to nurture them and look after them for future generations. That's why I'm here. It's for the trees, it's for my family, it's for all our families.
What are you being arrested for today?
I'm being arrested for obstruction. That's what he said I'll be charged with, that I would be arrested on an obstruction charge.
Up here today. Yeah. And if there's something we can do or something.
Yeah, you're good right there. Thanks, guys.